First up, my citrus chicken features bone-in thighs with a double dose of flavor. So we cut the oranges. Now, the key is always zest first, then cut the oranges, because it's really hard to zest half an orange. Okay, so we get the OJ1, OJ2, 3. Now, the citrus really helps in this. You know, sometimes I'm scared with citrus and chicken when it goes to the chicken breast, because I think it can be a little too much acid and kind of break them down. They get a little mealy. But chicken thigh, come on now. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This will work out great. Okay, compost that. All right, balsamic vinegar, a little white balsamic. I need some of the acid, but I want the big, huge monster flavor of the traditional balsamic, so the white balsamic goes in. Just a touch of that, couple tablespoons. Let's get a little bit of salt. Cracked black. Some celery seed, not celery salt, about a tablespoon. See that measurement? It's just eagle eye measurement. Let's see what else we need. Okay, let's get into some basil. Keep the basil in the fridge. The base of it wrapped up with some wet paper towel, kind of keeps it nice and moist. And the same thing with the mint. I think having fresh herbs on hand always makes your opportunity to branch out with your food a little bit better. This citrus chicken with these bone-in, skin-on thighs, you're gonna dig. Speaking of the bone-in, skin-on thighs, now we'll put these in. These can marinate for, I'll do about 6 to 8 hours, but you know what? Because they're so firm and they've got the fat on them, you know, the dark meat, it can go even a little bit longer. And I'm gonna get some olive oil, some shallots, and some garlic working. And what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna be making a glaze that's gonna go on this dynamite chicken that we got. Now let me get some olive oil in. Kind of heat that up a bit. Okay, hot olive oil. That's what I'm looking for. Look at this chicken. Now, this is chicken thigh with the skin and bone. I want both of them because it's tons of flavor. And it's gonna go and roast in this pan right here, 350-degree preheated oven. Look at that. You should smell this right now. You're gonna roll it over so the skin's side up. Now, this will cook for about 45 minutes, and I'm gonna glaze it about halfway through. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, there's enough. Okay, kind of turn them over so the skin's working, okay? Shallots are going. Remember, I got some shallots in here as well as the basil and the mint. Gonna pour that right in with some of the orange zest and orange juice. So that's the deal. So what do you think of that? Crazy looking sauce. Add a little orange marmalade. Oh, guess what else is in here? Oh, well, we've got some reserve marinade that we had this chicken going in that added basil and mint and some orange zest. You name it, it's all in here. Oh yeah, and a little chili sauce in there too. So a little sweet chili sauce. So all this coming together to make a base for the chicken that I've got downtown. So we'll kind of just liberally lay some on there, and that'll kind of candy up on top because of the sugars in that marmalade and the sweet chili sauce. Okay, so that looks great. Hit another round if we need. We'll pop these back in. Let them go another 15, 20 minutes. So this one right here, I think, has my name on it. There you go. So the chicken thigh. Oh, look at the juice that's going on with that as well.